How to block emails on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you block any emails on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to just open Mail app on your iPhone. After you open Mail, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, you'll have to just open the conversation or mailbox from where you want to block any emails. Simply after you open that, tap on your name at the top left. After that, simply click on their name, like where just at the right hand section of from. After that, after you get the contact or open the profile section, from here you'll have to scroll down or find out the option block this contact. Simply tap on that. And from here, simply tap on block this contact. After you tap on that, you'll be able to block every emails from that contact. So this is the method. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.